Hello everyone, and welcome to Sveta's Menu Cooking Channel. Today we're going to make, like always, a very simple, quick, and delicious dish. It will take you just a few minutes, but the result is incredibly tasty. You can make this for breakfast, or whip it up when unexpected guests arrive. In our family, we call this dish mini pizzas. I'll show you the filling I like to use for them, and you can choose whatever works best for you. Basically, use whatever you have in the fridge. Whatever you love can go on these mini pizzas. First and foremost, you'll need sliced toast bread. Then I use some salami, a pickled cucumber, a tomato, cheese, and a bit of onion. If you don't like onion, skip it. Just use the ingredients you enjoy. You'll also need a little tomato sauce to spread over the bread. You can go ahead and preheat your oven now. We'll be done super quickly. Let's get started. Lay out your slices of toast bread on a baking tray. Spread each piece with a tomato-based sauce. You can use ketchup or even a mix of ketchup and mayo. It's all up to you. And just so you know, I'm not giving exact measurements here. It all depends on how many slices of bread you're using and how much topping you like. Some people prefer more, others less. So I'm showing you the idea, and you can adjust it as needed. I've spread the sauce on all my slices. Now add the salami. Again, use whatever you have. Ham, no meat at all, just tomatoes and cheese. It's totally flexible. For the sauce, I used spaghetti sauce, but ketchup or any sauce you like will work. I used 150 grams, about 5.3 ounces, of salami for 9 slices of bread. Pizza originated in Naples, Italy, and was once considered food for the poor. The world's largest pizza was over 13,000 square feet. Americans eat about 3 billion pizzas a year. The Margherita pizza was named after Queen Margherita of Savoy. October is National Pizza Month in the U.S. The most popular topping worldwide is pepperoni, while in Japan, you might find squid or mayo on your slice. The first pizzeria in the U.S. opened in 1905 in New York City. And yes, pineapple on pizza still sparks passionate debates around the globe. Pizza truly is a global favorite, with endless variations. In fact, every culture has its own version, like Turkish pied, French tarte flambée, or Georgian khachapuri. Some gourmet pizzas even feature gold flakes or truffle oil. Whether thin crust, deep dish, or stuffed, pizza brings people together and satisfies cravings like nothing else. Next, I added a bit of pickled cucumber, just 2 small ones for this amount. If you're not a fan of pickles, just skip them. Now I'm adding a little onion, just a touch for aroma. We like the flavor it gives, but if you don't, feel free to leave it out. Speaking of pizza, it's fascinating how this beloved dish has taken on so many forms around the world. From Italy's classic Margherita to Chicago's deep dish and New York's foldable slices, each version has its own fan base. In Brazil, green peas are a popular topping, while in Sweden, you'll find pizzas topped with bananas and curry. Some creative chefs have even turned pizza into cones, rolls, and sushi-style bites. Pizza is also big business. The global industry is worth over $140 billion. Whether enjoyed at a party, as a midnight snack, or for breakfast the next day, pizza never goes out of style. Did you know the most expensive pizza in the world costs over $12,000? The Louis XIII pizza from Italy is topped with caviar, lobster, and rare cheeses, and made by a personal chef in your home. In space, astronauts on the International Space Station enjoyed the first zero-gravity pizza delivery in 2001, courtesy of Pizza Hut. In South Korea, sweet potato mousse is a common topping. In Scotland, deep-fried pizza is a popular fast food item. In India, pizzas are often topped with paneer and tandoori chicken. There's even a museum dedicated entirely to pizza, the Museum of Pizza in New York. One of the most legendary stories in cryptocurrency history is the Bitcoin Pizza Day. On May 22, 2010, a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz made the first real-world purchase using Bitcoin. He paid 10,000 BTC for 2 pizzas from Papa John's. At the time, those Bitcoins were worth about $41 USD. Today, that amount of Bitcoin would be worth hundreds of millions of dollars, making it the most expensive pizza purchase in history. The transaction marked a major milestone in Bitcoin's journey, from an obscure digital currency to a globally recognized form of value. Since then, May 22nd is celebrated annually by crypto fans. Next up, the tomatoes. I used 1 large tomato for all the slices. Dice everything into small cubes, just like this. And now for the final step. We cover everything generously with cheese. Don't be shy with it. I've sprinkled cheese over all the mini pizzas. I decided to move them a bit closer together on the tray, so the cheese wouldn't fall off. Don't worry, they'll separate easily after baking. Now pop them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. 15 minutes later, our mini pizzas are ready. Just look how beautiful they are. Let's try one. Still hot. I'll try breaking one apart, or maybe I'll slice it. Look at that gorgeous result. You'd hardly know it's not real pizza. Here's a closer look. Just beautiful. Guys, give this a try. I really hope you'll like it. The best part is, it's fast, tasty, and perfect when guests show up unexpectedly and there's nothing ready. So that's it for today, my friends. I hope you give these mini pizzas a try. They're quick, easy, and always a hit. What do you usually make when unexpected guests arrive? Share your ideas in the comments. I'm always looking for new inspiration. And if you enjoy simple, delicious recipes like this one, make sure you're following the channel so you never miss what's coming next. See you next time on Sveta's Menu Cooking Channel.